project here in Bakersfield, home of the Crystal Palace and Performance Drivelines. Damon here is going to take us through the whole process of building a driveline and kind of walk us through it. So let's go check out your shop.
Yeah, perfect. Let's go. So at the beginning of the dry shaft, we got to prep everything. We put everything together. We're going to put the joints in. We like to run Spicer joints, quality stuff. So this here we have a dry shaft put together, already pressed up in our machine. And then once it's straight, we weld it up. All right, so here we are with the balancer. We're now going to take dry shaft, get it all fixtured up, balance it as if it's in the vehicle so that you don't have any vibration issues in the future. So here we have a factory Dodge dry shaft that from the factory they balance these things with extra weights. And they're basically just counteracting themselves. You have a weight here and a weight here. Weight here and a weight here. Something obviously is not done right to need that kind of weight. For one, these are heavy weights and there's a lot of them. For whatever reason, these here Dodge trucks are known for carry bearing failures and the dry shaft's not being built and balanced like they should. We do a lot of conversions on these and put one-piece aluminum dry shafts in, the one there on the display. But you can't do them in every application, so sometimes you have to do a new steel dry shaft, which we also build. But we build them straight, balance them as a unit like they should be, and put the weight where it needs to be, and they seem to last a lot longer.
Ever going to be done? What'd you do today, Damon?
Nothing. Supervised.